Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just came back from Aldi and I wanted to show you a couple things that I picked up to continue on this low carb / keto lifestyle, perfect for when you transition and you're maintaining all of the weight loss that you have lost, whether it be on Optavia or any other plan. This is the way to go. So let me jump right into it. And if you have any questions on anything that I got, leave a comment below. And if you wouldn't mind liking this channel so that this way the word gets out, it helps me grow. All right, guys, let's get into the grocery haul and I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Here we go. First item, who guessed it? Avocados. They sell the little mini bags, which is something that I absolutely love. And they also sell seedless cucumbers, which is another thing that I love from Aldi, especially when following this low-carb keto lifestyle. The avocados provide really good nutrition as far as potassium goes, and the cucumbers are great in salads or stuffing them. Just great. This is something that I've been wanting to try for a while. It's the organic tomato and basil pasta sauce. This is given the thumbs up by several keto people out in the YouTube community. As you can see, there's no added sugar and the ingredients are pretty well what they are. Nothing added, nothing crazy, just tomatoes and some seasoning. So I absolutely cannot wait to try this. In fact, I think I may have tried one a while ago, but not this particular one. Here we have a huge pack of pork chops. I plan on breading these and cooking them in the air fryer, which I'll show you what I'm going to use to bread them in a little while. But what a great price for such a large pack of pork chops. I'm excited because I love them. And I also got two packs of salmon per se. They both come with the skin on it, which is really good because if you cook these in some oil or cooking oil spray, that crunch that you get from that skin is amazing. And you can slice it off and crisp them up. And if you're craving something delicious like a potato chip, you can just eat the fried skin. They're really good for you. 2 cans of olive oil, cannot live without this. Just want to remind you with olive oil, guys, even though the label here says 0 and you can see the ingredients here, olive oil is a fat. So when you use this overboard, you know, you're going to be getting calories. So be mindful. Olive oil spray is not calorie free. I can't say that enough. So many times people just spray liberally and they wonder why they're in a stall or such. You have to be mindful. Moving on to cheese, Gouda, one of my most favorite when doing low carb keto. It is one of the best cheeses. 100 calories and no carbs. And as you can see, the ingredients are very pure. So I love regular Gouda and I also like smoked Gouda. So I found a pack of that as well, picked it up. And again, if you look on the back, the macros are clean as a whistle and pretty much the same as the other one, minus the smoke flavor. Moving on to another cheese product that I'm excited to use. These are the Parmesan cheese wraps. Parmesan cheese, when you're talking keto, low carb, is one of the best, aside from Gouda. The macros on this are 180 calories per wrap. So you can make tacos, you can make actual wraps, you can put this in a frying pan, cut it up and make chips. You could do a lot with this. It's very versatile. I've pretty much, if I go back thinking, I think I only used the cheddar ones. I don't think I've ever used the Parmesan ones. But I think I'm going to like this because I love Parmesan cheese. And I think I'm going to try to cut it up into chips and maybe top a salad with it. I don't know. Here's my breading for the pork chops. Pork rinds. If you put this stuff in a Ziploc bag and take your aggression out on it with a mallet or a spoon or whatnot, and you crush them up into little breadcrumb-like little pieces, you can bread pork chops and chicken and fish and anything else you want to bread. You can bread zucchini and eggplant and, you know, the sky's the limit. You can also eat these as chips, dip them in some ranch dressing, you know, sour cream, anything. So I think overall this is a pretty good grocery haul for the next few days. I'm excited to make some new recipes for you and show you exactly what I'm eating. So I hope that you liked this video, and if you want to see more grocery hauls, or maybe I'll bring you into the grocery store while I'm looking around, let me know in the comment section. I hope you all have a great night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.